Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this video. So on today's tutorial, you'll learn step by step on how you can turn your ideas or scripts into amazing story videos using AI tools. And it's perfect for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or even presentations. So first, you can just choose the AI video generator. For this video, you can use, for example, Pika Labs, Fiber, Vidu AI like I do here, or another free generator. Just go to their website and sign up. It's quick and free. So now you can just write a short script or story. Here I'm going to use text to video, and then you can just enter the story that you want. For example, here a boy finds a magic book in the forest that opens a portal to another world, like this. And you can adjust the model, style, durations, and also the aspect ratio. And if you're done, you can just tap on create. Here, since I don't have credit lab, so I cannot click on create. But if you're new to Vidu, you can get a free trial for a few times to create your own videos. So once your story video looks good, you can just export and download it, and you can upload it to YouTube, TikTok, or share it with your friends. And that's it. You've just made a story video with AI, fast and easy. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the thanks. Bye.